How to withdraw your Metamask crypto into your bank or PayPal account. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can withdraw money from your Metamask account onto your actual account from your bank or your PayPal account, so into cold hard cash that you can actually use. Now, this is super easy and super simple. A lot of the times people just get confused, and it's super simple to get money into money that you can use. So you might be wondering, hey, I have a bunch of Ethereum in my account, but how do I actually use this? How do I convert this into money in my bank? Well, it's super simple and super easy. All you need to do is create an account on Binance or CoinMarketCap or any other crypto marketplace. And then you're going to go on ahead and transfer your money over there. So I will show you guys exactly how to do that. So first off, you need to create your account on Binance. For that, you need to register and you need to provide identity verification. So if you take a look at my Binance account over here, I have already verified my identity, but you do need to do identity verification for you to be able to actually trade and get crypto into your Binance account. Once you do that, you can actually go on ahead and transfer your money from MetaMask onto your actual account. So now, if I open MetaMask over here, you can see it's just a sample account, but this is my account address. And the first thing that you're going to do is whatever money you have on MetaMask, you're going to click on swap over here. And then you're going to select your other token, which is going to be the USDC token. So you can either choose USDT or USDC. So that is just the first step. You're just going to convert whatever you have or whatever money you want from your MetaMask account into USDT or USDC. So once you have done that swap, all you have to do is go into your Binance account and go into your Binance or Coinbase account, whatever cryptocurrency marketplace account that you have, and you want to make sure that you have verified it. And once you do that, what you're going to do is click on deposit. And you're going to click on crypto deposit. I already have crypto and I want to transfer them to Binance. So you're going to click on over here and you're going to select what kind of cryptocurrency you want. Let's say you want to deposit Ethereum. We're going to select that. And then you're just going to click on this address over here. So they will provide you with the wallet address for your Binance account. And you're just going to copy this over here, or you can even scan it on your phone. And then you're just going to click on MetaMask over here. We're going to click on send, and then you're just going to paste that address. So you're just going to paste this crypto wallet address onto your MetaMask account, just like so. Click on your MetaMask icon, click on send over here, and then you're just going to paste this address over here. Once you have pasted this address, now this will show you that new address. So click here to add to your address book, and then you can just enter the amount of funds that you want to transfer. Whatever money you want to transfer, you're just going to enter that over here. And once you do that, you will see like $1 or $2 or $3, however much in gas fees or GUI. So you're gonna have to pay like a couple of dollars in gas fees, and then you can transfer it onto your Binance account. Now, you might be wondering, hey, now I have the money in my Binance account from my MetaMask account, but I want to withdraw this to my actual bank account or PayPal account. Well, it's pretty simple from here on out. You're just going to go back into your Binance wallet. Once you're in your Binance wallet, what you're just going to do is click on transfer, or you can click on send over here. And then you can send it to another Binance ID, you can send it to a specific phone number and just send it wherever you want. Or you can simply just click on withdraw over here. And once you click on withdraw, they're going to show you the multiple different addresses too that you can withdraw. And you can see that it is super easy and simple to withdraw money from Binance. You can withdraw your crypto, or you can even withdraw your fiat. So you're going to click on withdraw fiat, and then you're going to add where you want to withdraw it from. So let's say we want the euro currency and we want to withdraw it from a bank card. We're going to click on continue. And then we're just going to enter the amount. You're just going to add your card information, and then you will receive that in your specific card that you are adding onto your crypto account over here. So that is just how simple and easy it is to withdraw money from your MetaMask account. All you need to do is open an account in any kind of crypto marketplace. You can do it on any network. So I have Polygon over here, I have Optimism. Whatever crypto network you are on, you're going to follow the same method. You can skip the method where you have to swap the cryptocurrency. So you can choose to directly put Ethereum into your Binance account, and on Binance you can convert it. That is your option. But if you just want to simplify the process, then just directly swap it on your MetaMask account. And once you have swapped it on your MetaMask account, you can just select the token of your choice, like USDT or USDC, and then just swap it. And once you have done the swap, transfer your funds into Binance simply by clicking on send over here and pasting your Binance address, which you can easily receive simply by going into your wallet overview. Once you go into your wallet overview, click on deposit over here, click on crypto deposit, and once you click on crypto deposit, choose what you want to deposit. So let's say you want to deposit USDT. Then you're going to select your network. So let's say you want to go from the Ethereum network. And then you're just going to copy the address, the wallet address that they give you. You're going to go into your Metamask account on your top right over here. You're going to click on send, paste that wallet address right over here. Once you have pasted it, you can deposit whatever amount of money. You can choose which asset you want to deposit as well. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. And if you're a beginner starting out with crypto, do check out our other videos on how to get started with crypto wallets. Now, Metamask is a wallet that is specific to Ethereum mainnet, and you can choose to connect or create other crypto wallets. And I do have a few tutorials on other wallets like Nami or Phantom. So these are other wallets that support other cryptocurrencies. Like Phantom is the crypto wallet that is native to Solana, and Nami is the crypto wallet that is native to another crypto token. So you can choose to create your crypto account over here, so you are able to diversify your crypto portfolio. So you can send it on Binance, and then from Binance you can send it onto a different crypto wallet if you want to further your crypto portfolio in a different fashion. But it's simple and easy, and you can even choose to send money from your Binance account into your Metamask account. So you can choose to do that as well if you want to deposit money or save some money in your crypto wallet. For that, simply go into your withdrawal overview over here, click on send or transfer. So you're just going to click on send or transfer. And then what you're going to do is after you click on send over here, you can just add the Binance ID or the Pay ID of that person and of your own crypto account, or you can simply go onto your Binance wallet, take a look at your withdrawals, and withdraw it onto a crypto wallet. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.